So this is the GPS tracking, ignition disabling alarm system that Frontier Toyota put in. And this is what caused all the problems in the truck. Dying every day, pulling 0.7 amps, like 700 milliamps, almost a full amp, 24/7, which is why I kept dying. And this is not a factory Toyota part, so it's not covered under warranty. Didn't even know it was there. And they drilled this little guy into my airbag. Genius. So, been around the block, as you know from the last video, went to 2 different dealerships. Bought an amp clamp, went through, tested a bunch of the circuitry, figured out which ones were pulling amperage, went back to the first dealership because they may have had a little bit of an attitude, but at least they seemed like they knew what they were doing. And hold on a second, Parker. Went back to him, talked to the manager and said, look, here's the deal. I said, I didn't cuss and scream at you guys, but I was frustrated. Would you work with me again? And he said, absolutely. So set an appointment, went back in, talked with their lead technician, showed him everything that I had found. And he said, well, you've done a lot, so let me take it from here. And yeah, a couple days later, he calls me up and says, well, I found it. He goes, did you install a GPS tracker? And I said, nope.
Rubber ducky for me.
Oh, hold on just a second, Parker. She sees the rubber ducky in the dash. And he goes, I kind of figured because you unhooked everything else, because we've seen this before. Because as soon as I unplugged this control module right here, the amperage draw went away. So he let it sit for over 24 hours with his gauges and everything connected. Just let it sit completely for over 24 hours. And there was never another spike. And it hasn't died since. I've had it back for like 5 days now. Tested it every single day and no dead battery. Even let it sit straight for 2 days and then used my remote start function. It fired right up. So I just had to remove it. So there's a bunch of these T-taps I'm going to have to pry off. And there's one wire I got to solder together. But other than that, it's done. And Tim got some shots of it before we started taking it apart. So there you go. Long story short, make sure you don't have one of these installed in your vehicle when you buy it. A lot of dealers put them in for inventory control is what I heard. Because it can track where the vehicles are and they can unlock all the vehicles with one key. But yeah, not good, especially when it causes you to have a dead battery every day. And yeah.
What's going on with the whole foot situation down here?
Long story short, developed a foot ulcer, and in order for it to heal, they had to go in and cut off all the dead skin around it so the calluses would stop ripping the skin apart. And they had to keep the pressure off. So they put me in a cast on the right foot, but they can't do cast on both feet at the same time. So they put my right foot, because it was worse, in a cast, and they created a negative space under the wound so that it will not have any pressure on it, and so it'll heal. And I went in on Monday, and they took the cast off, dressed all the wounds, and it had already shrunk 40% in size in 5 days. And they said, that's really, really good, so we're going to keep you in a cast because it's working. So I go back on Friday and they cut this one off and check it again, and hopefully at that point it'll be healed enough to where I can go to just a boot like I have on the left foot, and I'll have a lot more mobility. But they said keep your weight off of it as much as you can, so that's why I'm sitting on a rolly chair and not standing, because the more pressure I can keep off of it, the faster it heals. So that's what's going on. Don't eat too much sugar.
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Oh, moment of truth. We'll make sure it starts.
Oh.
Guys, I had to fix the ignition wiring. Let me get my little rolly chair. As I almost eat it.
Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah. Huge cracks they put in these floors are not great for rolling. I'm being now we're good. I'm not supposed to be walking. This is me not walking. Okay, moment of truth. Here we go. Hey, it works. Yes.
Nice job. You didn't break anything.
Yeah, now I just gotta hook up all my accessories and put the trim pieces back in, but now that we know it works, I'm good to go.